Hey there, garden lovers! Are you ready to transform your garden into a year-round paradise? If you live in Zone 7, where winters are mild and summers are warm, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the best perennial plants that not only survive, but thrive in Zone 7's wonderful climate. Stick around to discover which hardy beauties will make your garden the talk of the neighborhood. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting your hands dirty, I've got the perfect picks for you. These perennials are tough, beautiful, and low-maintenance everything a gardener dreams of. So let's jump right into it. 1. Introduction to Zone 7. First, let's talk about what makes Zone 7 so special. In the USD A Plant Hardiness Map, Zone 7 covers parts of the US with average minimum temperatures between 0 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. This includes places like Atlanta, Dallas, and even parts of New York City. If you're in Zone 7, your garden enjoys a longer growing season and can host a variety of plants that can handle a bit of winter chill and summer heat. 2. Top perennial picks. Now for the stars of the show, the best perennial plants for Zone 7. First up, we have the black-eyed Susan. These sunny, golden flowers are perfect for adding a splash of color to your garden. They're super easy to grow and attract butterflies, making them a hit in any landscape. Plus, they bloom from late summer to early fall, extending the vibrant season in your garden. Next, let's talk about dahlias. These are like the all-stars of the perennial world. They come in a rainbow of colors and can thrive in almost any soil type. Plant them once and they'll come back year after year, each time more glorious than before. Another must-have is the hosta. Known for their lush, leafy green foliage, hostas are fantastic for shaded areas in your garden. They're incredibly resilient and require minimal upkeep. Plus, their beautiful leaves can add texture and depth to your garden beds. Don't forget the lavender. This fragrant beauty isn't just for the Mediterranean climates. In Zone 7, lavender thrives, filling your garden with its soothing scent and lovely purple blooms. It's great for attracting bees and other pollinators, making your garden a buzzing hub of activity. 3. Planting and care tips. Pick the right spot. Make sure you plant each perennial in its ideal location. Sun lovers like the black-eyed Susan need at least 6 hours of sunlight, while shade dwellers like hostas prefer cooler, shaded spots. 2. Prepare your soil. Good soil preparation is key. Mix in some compost to enrich your soil and provide the nutrients your plants need to thrive. 3. Water wisely. Perennials need regular watering, especially when they're getting established. Water deeply, but not too often. This encourages deep root growth and makes your plants more drought resistant. 4. Mulch for protection. Adding a layer of mulch helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and protect roots from extreme temperatures. And there you have it. With these hardy perennials, your Zone 7 garden will be a stunning, low-maintenance oasis year after year. Remember, gardening is all about enjoying the journey and celebrating the beauty you create along the way. So get out there, have fun, and happy gardening.